is like coming right through there. I feel like the holy... Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to be talking you through the 2023 fall/Halloween ear collection that will be coming to my Etsy shop. If you guys don't know, I have an Etsy shop where I sell Minnie Mouse ears that you can wear to Disney World should you choose to participate in that little fun tradition. And every year I add more fall and Halloween pieces to the shop. So we already have tons from years past that you can also buy still. And what's really cool is you can actually now buy them directly here on YouTube. So if you go to my channel and you click store, you can directly buy all of my ear designs here on the YouTube platform, which is really cool. Or you can head over to my Etsy shop and I will have that linked in the description bar below. Anyways, first of all, I do plaids. I love plaid. I love plaid in fall time. So here are some pictures of the plaids that we currently have available. These are ones that launched either last year or year before last, and we still have them in stock, or the fabric is still available to me so I can continue making them, which is really nice when that happens. And then in addition to that, here are all the printed designs that we still have in stock. So as you can see, there are Jack Skellington ones, Sally ones, there's Mickey and Minnie Mouse ones, Hocus Pocus inspired ears. So anything your could heart desire, here they are. Now, let's get into the new ones that are coming this year. And you can shop them as of today. As of the, as you're watching this video, they are available. So you don't have to wait at all. You can go shop them literally right now. All right, so we're gonna start with our plaids and then we'll do our prints later. But this actually isn't even a plaid, but I don't consider it a print. It's a velvet. We have the black, purple, sparkly ears. Last year we had a pair similar to this that is actually out of stock completely. I cannot find the fabric, so it won't be coming back until a fabric that does the same thing that the other one is, or there's the same one comes back, if that makes sense. So it was black with orange. This fabric is a black with a dark purple sequin. It has a matching bow. It's all monochrome. And these are seriously gorgeous. If you've got like a witchy vibe going for your Disney Halloween looks this year, these are definitely for you. These definitely have a little bit of cat hair on them because I've been lugging them around for like literally a month and a half. So apologies, but you will have a fresh new pair that does not have any cat hair on it when you order yours. So I hope you guys really like these and you can shop them now. Okay, now actually headed into the plaids. I only really have one truly fall inspired plaid this year, and they are these gorgeous all over orange print plaids. I just love how simple these are. Again, they are just a completely orange with kind of a darker orange and a lighter orange plaid. Again, matching bow. So just a very monochromatic, simple look. Perfect if you just need a pop of orange for your outfit. They would look great with this outfit. And I seriously love them. And they are an actual flannel material. So when you touch them, they are very, very soft and very, very comfortable. So you can also pick those up on the shop right now. Next up, we have these, which when I saw this fabric, and I don't know if this fabric is new or if it's been there for a couple years and I just had never seen it before, but this is like the most Halloween-y plaid that you could ask for. It's orange and black and white, and it's a busier plaid. Obviously, you can see this plaid is a lot more understated. This one is a very busy plaid, and it is so cute. This is also a flannel material, so also very soft, very comfortable with a matching bow. And you can also make bow requests. So if you ever want anything different for a bow, you can just request it when you add the sale. Like for instance, if you wanted a black sequin bow, I would be happy to add that for you. Just add it in the order notes when you check out, and I will switch that out for you. And yeah, literally so cute. I'm obsessed with these. They're so fun, and I just think they scream Halloween like nobody's business. So next up, these are so fun, and I haven't really done a lot of like purpley ears, and this is definitely the first plaid purple that we have on the shop. These are amazing. So these are very similar to the orange and black ones, except they are purple and black, and they are seriously just so freaking cute. Again, I feel like they're very witchy vibes, very simple, kind of Ravenclaw even though these are obviously not for Universal, even though some people wear ears to Universal, which, I mean, to each their own. It's not for me, but you do you. But these are some purple, and they're also flannel, so they're again very soft and very comfortable, perfect for all day wear in the parks. They're also very sturdy, so they're not gonna go anywhere. And yeah, white braided trim to match. So cute, so cute. All handmade by me, just so you guys remember. These are not produced somewhere. These are made typically either in my living room or in my office here at my house. So they're all handmade, custom for you by me. All right, we've got 3 more new additions to the shop this year. I have a cat hair on me. Cute. Also, this lighting is like being so weird. I'm trying to figure out like the best spot to film in my house for Halloween. I've tried this spot out a couple times. I don't think that it's it. The lighting keeps changing, so I'm sorry about that. I'll try a new spot next video. But anyways, let's get into the prints. So first of all, I'm so excited about this. This is not a Disney print, and I typically do only like prints that are like from Disney movies or something. But I saw this and I just knew so many of my friends would vibe with this that I had to grab it. So this is an all over print skeleton fabric, and it glows in the dark as well, which is so freaking sick. I have a couple of other pairs of ears that glow in the dark, and granted, there are not a lot of opportunities for them to glow in Disney, but I will say if you enter any of like the rooms that have black lights, like Buzz's Space Ranger spin or anything like that, they'll glow like extra bright, obviously. So these are so cool. I try and highlight the skull and then the like rock on skeleton hand, which I think is awesome. But if you want it to be just skulls, again, you can ask for customizations. You can say, can I have like the skull centered on both sides? Or if you really like the rib cage, I can do that as well. Again, you can just ask. You can also ask for a switched out bow. You can do a white bow would look good. A black bow would look good. And so it's really up to you, but I just think these are so cute, and I feel like so many people would vibe with this look. So if you're into the neon green, those ones are definitely for you. All right, next up we have 2 Mickey and Minnie prints. These are ones that I just could not say no to when I saw them in the store. First, we have these dark purple Mickey and Minnie in their Halloween costume ears. We've got Minnie dressed as a kitty cat, and I almost said Max because Max is the name of my cat, and I said cat, and then I was like, and Max is dressed as, no, that's Mickey dressed as a pumpkin. And then it's got orange little Mickeys and stars and dots and candy corns, and it is just such a cute print. Again, you can ask for maybe an orange bow or a white bow, would look really good with these ears. So yeah, if you're interested in these are also available to shop on my YouTube channel or on my Etsy shop. My cat's making noises. Mamas! All right, and last but certainly not least, I could not, again, pass up this fabric just because it is so precious. We have this orange Mickey and Minnie print. Once again, it has Mickey dressed as a vampire with his little pumpkin jack-o'-lantern trick-or-treat bag. And we have Minnie dressed as a little witch, also with her trick-or-treat bag, and they look so cute. There are bats and zigzags and swirls and spiders and all fun stuff, kind of just amplifying this print. I seriously think it's so cute. And again, this would look so cute also with like a purple bow, or you could even do maybe a white bow if you want something a little bit lighter. So cute. I'm obsessed with these, you guys. I really am. So I hope you guys are too. And those are all of the new ears that are coming to the shop this year. I hope at least one pair like called to you. If it did, definitely leave it in the comments which one was your favorite. Even if you don't purchase a pair, I'd love to know which one just speaks to you the most in the comments below. And like I said, again, you can shop all of these either on etsy.com/shop/hollylollyco, or you can shop them on my YouTube channel. If you just go to my channel, click store, they're shoppable right there. All right, this lighting is seriously getting crazy, so I'm gonna sign off before it gets even crazier. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a like, hit that red subscribe button down below to come hang out with me every single day until Halloween night. That's videos. Actually, I just realized that I have a video that starts before September, so technically we're doing 62 days of Halloween because my first upload is actually August 31st. So I hope you guys are ready for that. Subscribe for everything, and I'll see you every single day until Halloween. All right, bye.